Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain you how to find a strong research topic for your research project. Okay guys, here I will use my notepad and I will explain how to think in a creative way and find out a best research topic. Okay, we'll start this one. So I will write the topic name. Okay, my question is how to find a strong research topic. Okay, what is the criteria to find out the good research topic? Okay, how do we analyze whether it is a good research topic or a bad research topic? Okay, what are the things you have to consider? Okay, the first thing is the simplicity of the research topic. Okay, now I'm going to explain you how to find out a creative research topic. If it is a creative research topic, guys, it should be very simple. Okay, if your research topic is a complex scenario, complex one, then your research topic is not that creative. Always, guys, creativity arises with the simplicity. Okay, so don't think about big complex things because those are not that close to you. If something is not that close to you, then you can't imagine that thing properly. Okay, therefore creativity will arise from the imagination. That imagination will come from the simplicity. Okay, then okay, I will write, do not think about the complex scenarios because those are not that close to you close to you. If something if something which is not that close means we cannot imagine the problem properly, right guys? Okay, now uh, you want to come with the simple scenario, but you want to think it in a creative way. Now here you are coming with several problems. What do you mean by the simplicity? Okay, what do you mean by the simplicity? What do you mean by the simplicity? Okay guys, uh I will tell you this one. In when we are going to solve a mathematical problem, okay, in one way I can say it is a simple problem. I can easily do that one. And another problem, I will tell it as a complex problem. What do you mean by the complex problem? Complex problem means you cannot understand that one. Simple problem means you can understand that one. Okay, what do you mean by the simplicity? You can understand the problem properly. Then again, we'll dissect this one. Do you how do you can understand the problem properly? How do you understand the problem properly? That means, how do you understand that problem properly? When it is very much related to us, okay, and which is very common to our area, then we can understand that problem properly. Okay, okay, then That means it should be lie on our interest. Okay, if something we can understand, uh, means something is understandable, means it is lie on our research area. It should it should lie on our interest. Okay, guys. Then we can say, if a problem lies in our interested area, then we can understand that thing properly. If we can understand that thing properly, means it is a simple problem. Okay, now what we are going to do, we want to find out the problem in that interest area. Okay, then what's that? And our next focus is find out the problem in your research. Okay, interested area in a creative way. Okay, one good question. Okay, how do you, okay, we can find out a problem, but how do you find out a problem in an creative way? How do you find out a problem in a creative way? Okay, then we want to understand what is called creativity. What is called creativity? In creativity, there are certain things are included. The first keyword available in the creativity is the novelty. Novelty. The first keyword is the novelty. Novelty means the new. It should be new. It should be something new. Then methodical approach. There should be a methodical approach. Okay. Then this is a creativity. Yes, guys, creativity. Right. Methodical approach should be available. Novelty should be available. Okay. Then okay. We want to see the insights. Insights. Insights means you want to deeply seek about this problem. It is a problem which is close to you because it is lying on your interested area, but you want to find out a new thing. Okay, to how do you find out a new thing from your very common field? You want to see the insights. Okay, finding the insights means you are getting a imagination approach. Okay, so here we are calling it as the imagination approach. Imagination approach. Okay, guys, imagination approach. How do you see? Okay, how do you combine these three things? Okay, how do you do like that way? I will show you some practical examples for this one. Okay, now this creativity means what are the things available? Novelty is available, uh, uh, methodical approach should be available, and you want to see the insights, therefore imagination approach should be available. Okay, guys. Okay, then, okay, if we see like this way, then you can find out the creative problem. Okay, guys. Now, how do we start? Now, the problem is, how do we start? How do we start? How do we start to what? To find out the creative problem. Okay, then the first thing is we are going to find out a simple problem. Simple problem means you have to find the problem within your interested area. Okay, then some guys, they do not feel about this interested area. Then you can what we call, you can what we call the, you can outline some of the interested area. If you are not too into an interested area, you can just write some interested area, just write some areas. Okay, fields. They we can write like this way. you can write the things in the field and domain uh, order, field domain order. Okay, or you can say field domain pairs. Okay, field domain pairs. You can write these things in the order of field domain pairs. Field means your interested area. Domain means the your target area. Field, what is called the field? Field interested area. Area. Domain means it is the what we call it is the target audience. Okay, guys. Now, if you can find out the creative problem in your interested area, and if your target audience is high, then this will be a strong research topic, because if the target audience is high means good commercial impact is available. Good commercial impact is available, because why we are doing a research, we should get some benefits from this one. Okay, we are doing some kind of research and it should be benefited to the audience, and because of this high audience we are getting a commercial value. Okay, right, then only we can consider it as a strong research topic. Okay, now that is our part. Okay, that is our part. We are going to see about it. So I will from all of those things what we have discussed, I will just give it as a small quotation in order to visualize this thing properly. Okay, what is this creative strong research topic? It is like uh, finding, okay, or I will say like say gem gem in your own premises. Gem in your own premises. Okay, what do you mean by this one? Gem means, it is, what is that? Gem means it is a important, valuable, uh, and also valuable, precious thing. Okay, everybody knows that this is very important. Okay, knows everybody knows its value. Okay, right. uh, then in our own premises means, what is that? It is it is something we can approach. Something we can approach means what? It is practical. It is practical. When it is practical, that means we can approach, so we call it as the feasible. Okay, whether you can do like in our own premises, because we can't go to any other places because it is in our own premises. And how do you get this one? You can't just get, but because first of all you want to see your environment. Okay, insights your environment, then only you can see, and you want to understand how do we differentiate a gem and small other types of stones. Okay, so you want to see what's that? Insights. How do you see the insights? Therefore you want to have this creative approach. Okay, all those things are available in this gem in your own premises. Okay, then your research topic should be like gem in your own premises. It should be something important, commercial impact should be there, and also it should be something which is available in your research area, that means in your interested area, that means very common and people know this one. And but you can't just approach to that one, you can't just reach to that one, because you want to have some creative mind to get that one, then only you can get that one. Okay, right. Okay guys, how do we start? Okay, first of all, when you are going to start your research topic, don't think about your background, like your subject stream or the specialization. Those are not the major parts to consider about the research topic. First of all, okay, avoid from thinking from the specialization or the subject stream. That means do not consider your specialization. That means engineering, computer science, commerce, or any other field. So don't think about that one. And do not consider any tools also. Okay, do not consider any tools also. Tools means artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, brain computer interface. Don't those things also, avoid from those things as well. Okay, uh, then what's that? From where you have to avoid? How do you start? Okay, to start you have to avoid first. Avoid first. Avoid first from what? Avoid, consider about. Avoid first, what's that? What you are going to avoid? Avoid, these are the things you are going to avoid. Avoid of considering, avoid of, these are the things that you are going to avoid. Okay, not considering, you are going to avoid. Okay, if you are misunderstanding this one, you can say, I will remove this avoid first. Okay, do not consider, do not consider your specialization, do not consider any tools, and also do not consider problems as well. Why? Yes, because it is the starting stage. Okay, then what are we are going to consider? What are we going to consider? You are going to consider only the field and the domain. Okay, field and the domain. Field means your interested area and the domain means your target areas. Okay, like that. We will just outline some fields. Okay, I will first start from agriculture. Agriculture. Okay, any other fields? Okay, write as much as fields and domains that you are feeling. Okay, agriculture domains, I just put commas and write agriculture in your country. How is the agriculture? And your village, your district, your state or province. Okay, agriculture, that is agriculture. Okay, second thing. Okay, we'll just say leadership. Okay, leadership is a field. Okay, but leadership is not it is not a product. But you do not want to come with always the product, but you can come with some insights as well. Okay, you're right, like, yeah, because we know that leadership is also field. Okay, how do you see something? How do you differentiate a field also? Okay, what is actually field? Field means field, something which can be improved. Anything which can be improved can be considered as a field. Agriculture, we can modify, we can improve. Leadership, we can modify, we can improve. Okay, then only you can go like that. Leadership. Okay, how is your leadership? Okay, your uh, leadership in your university. Okay, leadership in the industry, industrial leadership. Okay, country leadership, like that thing, going like this. Okay, interested area. Okay, then poverty or the rich or the wealthy. Wealthiness. Okay, wealthiness, I don't know whether is this the correct or okay, I write it like the poverty. Okay, the opposite of the poverty is the richness. I just write okay, economy, I will write economy. Okay, economy, economical background. Okay, we want to develop economy. In what economy? The self economy. That means I want to improve my economy of the village, state economy, or family economy. Okay, family economy, country economy, like that you can write. Okay, any interested field. For what else? Okay, we can write many things like this way. Okay, we'll see. Agriculture, transportation. Okay, then you can find the public transportation in your area, public transportation in your house. Okay, when we consider about the transportation, the railway transportation, bus transportation, like that you can take some. Then the health sector. Okay, GLTH. Okay, there also you can find several domains there. Okay, I do not specify domains because domains, you know, the hierarchy of going, how is the hierarchy of the domains now. Okay, health. Then what about other things? Okay, then technology. Okay, technology. In technology, what are the things you can say? Okay, in the technology you can find several domains. Okay, therefore in technology you have to get specific domain from this one. Okay, now I will write some specific domains for this one. Automobile technology, the production technology, the production technology means the manufacturing technology, and also the electronics technology. Okay, electronics. Okay, and there you can find out some fields there, the mobile phone technology, anything like that you can go. Okay, in the automobile technology you can consider about there also you can subdivide it. You have to subdivide as much as possible, then only you can find the insights from that one. Okay, then what about this one? Sustainability. Okay, sustainability. What do you mean by the sustainability? Sustainability means how you are reducing the wastage, and how your product is giving a ecological impact to the society. Ecological impact, that means it is it doesn't pollute the environment. Okay, maintain the level of the society, or we can say having a good having a good ecological balance, good ecological balance. That means it is maintaining the natural resources properly, less wastage. Okay, less pollution. Okay, those things are the keywords for the sustainability. Okay, now you can say that this sustainability you can well defined by using these the areas. The agriculture, when you consider about the agriculture, green farming is one of the sustainable thing available in the agriculture. Like that way we can come up with like this way. Okay, and also you can come with many areas. Okay, conflicts. Okay, conflicts, we know that conflicts can happen in several formats. In the people wisely, conflicts can happen. Okay, you can consider about domains as university, country, world, like these conflicts, and you can give solutions by using by considering the insights of that one. Like that way you can consider all of those things, and then you can consider about the children. Okay, children. What do you call the children? Children is not just a field, because you want to say the improvement, so you can say the childhood, the development of the childhood, can consider. Okay, then also the youth. Okay, youth. How do we develop the youth? Okay, in different ways of modifying the values of the youth. Okay, okay, for these things. Okay, like that way you can come several. Okay, we can write hundreds and thousands of fields like this way. Okay, you just consider about your environment and write that way. Okay, and also the house. Okay, house, or the livelihood, we'll write livelihood. Okay, then like that you can write plenty of examples for these things. Okay, uh, uh, and the roads. Okay, accidents. So when you consider accidents, okay, that is also when it is related to transportation as well. But you can specify the field again, like accidents as well. Okay, then selling. Okay, selling. Okay, selling. Okay, the 14, like this way you can write plenty of things, because I am not taking much time for these things, because you can just write uh, this type of fields by considering your interests. Okay, then okay, after writing this fields and the domain, okay, what do you want to do next is analyze those fields and try to find out the field which is best suit for you. Okay, okay, find out the field and domain which best suits for your interest. Okay, just an example. I will just take anything. Okay, I will just take agriculture. Okay, because many of the people are taking this one, but now agriculture is just a field, and I will say in our village. Okay, my domain is village is the domain. Okay, right, then agriculture is the field and domain is the village. Okay, then what we are going to do, you are going to see a creative approach and find out a creative problem from this one. I also told that in a creative problem there are three things should be available. The first thing should be the novelty, and the second thing should be the what we call methodical approach. That means there should be an algorithm to get into that one, and there should be an imagination approach. That means some insights should be there. Okay, then only there should be a research gap. Okay, and you are somehow you are finding this problem because you are going to give a innovative solution for this one. Okay, now if we consider about this agriculture field, okay, don't think about the any other things. Okay, don't think whether these things are available or not. Okay, if you go like this way, then uh, uh, again you are coming with the problem to how to start that plan. Okay, just think now, just consider your common senses. Okay, common senses. Okay, now because many of us are farmers, because therefore we know that the problems available in Sri Lanka in the farming industry. uh, Okay, when you consider about the agriculture, one problem, you just get a big picture about this agriculture industry. Agriculture means not only the farming, the fishing also included to this one. Okay, I will take only the farming concept here. Uh, when we consider about the farming, you have to start from the very basics. Okay, okay, then how do they start to cultivate? cultivate. Okay, how do they start to cultivate? They want to, they want to, they want to have suitable crops for the what we call, for the environment, or we can say the, for the relevant duration. Okay, now we can come with a problem from this one, creative problem. Okay, do we know okay, now we know the farmers are doing this thing by their experiences. Okay, by their experiences they will know, okay, for this time we should grow this one. Okay, if it is potatoes, they will think that we should grow potatoes for this one. Okay, like that way. Now I can come like this way now, by considering crops and duration means month of the year, month of the year, uh, and also the harvesting time, and also by considering the uh, profit margin. Okay, okay, profit margin. By analyzing these things, we can come up with some problems. So the first problem, okay, uh, do we can we implement, or we can say, do the farmers know how to verify the exact crop for the exact time duration, exact month? Okay, that means just an example, January, January potato. It is suitable because by considering the what we call the weather. I just imagine, I don't know whether potatoes are good in January like that. I don't know that one, but considering the rain duration month, the rainfall of the year, like that way. Okay, then less harming. By that way, uh, they can consider whether do the farmers know how to verify the exact crop for the exact month. Okay, if it is if they do not know like that way, then what you can do, oh, okay, you can find out the problem like that way. Then they do not know how to verify the exact crop for the exact month. So what we are going to do, our solution is, we are going to give a solution. We are going to get a data set. By considering the data set, we are going to uh, give the solution as, uh, for the relevant month, we are going to implement the system to system which gives the output as month and the crop. Okay, like this way you can implement the system for that one. Okay, that is one way of seeing this one way, because that is the starting stage. Okay, when they started and when they started to cultivate that one, they will come with big problems. Okay, okay, what are the problems? The problems from the environmental uh, changes, and also the problems from the what we call the insects and animals. Okay, okay, how do we overcome that one? Because we know that the wild elephants are coming to some crops, and the wild pigs are coming to the crops, and they are doing some disasters for the things. Okay, then what can you do there? Okay, how to minimize the effect from the what we called how to minimize effect from the animals, okay, without harming without harming without harming animals and maximize the profit. Okay, what you can do, okay, you can identify whether there's now some insects and some animals are suitable for the environment, because we know that some the microorganisms organisms they will be benefited for their areas, and some will be identified whether these are not suitable for this one. Okay, we have to do something like that way, we can get a notification something like that way. So we are implementing a system uh, by considering available animals or insects and who are good for the environment and who are bad for the environment. Who are bad for the environment. Okay, later we will think about the technology here. Okay, we can use computer vision or any other technology for this one. Okay, but this is the problem. Okay, because when if you find out this problem, because this has a great solution. Okay, if you can identify these solutions, these insects are available in this area. Okay, these insects are available in this area, this region. Okay, then we can do something to uh, uh, get rid from those animals. Okay, and uh, then what's that? Then also when we think about this one, and we know that what are the suitable fertilizers for this crop. Okay, uh, suitable fertilizers for the crop, uh, whether is that crop? Yeah, this is not crops, it should be crops, isn't it? Yes, crops. Okay, suitable fertilizers for the crop, whether it is organic or the chemical. Okay, like that. Okay, if it is, now we know that organic and the chemical, there is a conflicts there, but we can say if it is an organic thing, okay, how much percentage you need organic, then how much percentage, okay, needed for the good harvesting. And also you can predict the you can now the farmers they do not know how is the if you want to get this much of harvesting, how much you have to cultivate. Okay, uh, predict the uh, amount of harvesting with the cultivation, and also then how is the good price, how to predict good price with the relevant time. Like that, you can come up with your problems, and after that you can go with research papers, and then there are similar types of researchers will be available. Okay, then by considering that researchers, you can see what is your research gap. Okay, what are the available things and what are the things you can fill. Okay, like that, then identify the research gap by reading research papers. Okay, now if it is a group project, what you want to do, you want to subdivide these your research to components. When you are considering about the components, it might be the objectives of your projects. Okay, sub objectives of your project. Okay, and the next day we will discuss about how do we make good components. Okay, right. I think I have given a good explanation here to how to find out a good research topic, and you can give your comments here. Thank you very much.